Once you have signed in to the Glendale Union High School District Digital Library, it's time to find a book. And there are a few different ways to find a book. One way is if you know exactly what you're looking for. You can come up to the top corner where we have the icon of a magnifying glass and search for a specific book by title, author, or subject area. You can even type in a keyword if you want. Now, I would like to read a book by Rainbow Rowell, so I'm going to type in her last name to see what the library has. I'll hit enter, and now I can see all the books by Rainbow Rowell in the library. Now, if we take a look at the book covers, you'll notice a few things. First of all, some of these book covers have a small icon at the bottom of the cover that looks like a pair of headphones. That means that these are audiobooks, and so you can listen to them. And if you check out the audiobook version and the ebook version at the same time, you can read and listen together. So you'll notice that Eleanor and Park and Fangirl have both versions, the ebook and the audiobook. You'll also notice as you start to look around the library that some books are actually graphic novels. So for example, Pumpkinheads. If I click on that title, then I can read a little bit more about this book. And I see that it's a comic and graphic book. And it's also young adult fiction. If I would like to see a little bit about this book, I can read the sample. It'll take just a moment to load. And by clicking here on the right side of the page, I can go to the next page and I can start to see a little bit more about what this book looks like. And if I like what I see, I'll probably want to go ahead and borrow it. And you can do that by either going back to this page and clicking borrow, or I can go back to that main page and I can click borrow from there. Now, if you don't know what you want to read, then the librarians in the district have put together lists of books that you might like. So if you scroll down, you can see lots of different books. Summer romance, beach books. My favorite list is here because it's all of the newest books that we have in the library. So these are the ones that we just purchased, and you might be the first person who gets to read them. Notice I'm going back up into the right-hand corner to click on Explore to go back to the main page. You can scroll through all of these lists, or you can go up here where it says Collections, and you can see a list of all the different collections. We have quite a few of them. And you can click on any collection to see the books that are in that. So I might want to click on Go the Distance. These are books about sports. And again, I can click on any cover to read more about that book, click on Borrow to actually take it and start to read it. There's one more place you can find ideas for books, and that is here in our popular subjects. So these books are organized now by their subject area. So if you know you like to read mystery books, you can just see what we have that are mysteries. And you can see all the subjects by clicking right here where it says Explore All Subjects. And again, you can click on any one of these to get more ideas about what you might like to read.